Good morning. My name is Farak Masukat from UMS 12Q to 12. The Blizzard, with the main title which is Dream by Akira Kurosawa. In 1990, the story of the Blizzard is all about a group of climbers could have easily been an intense, suspenseful sequence of the kind Kurosawa based his career on. In real life, he was an enthusiastic mountaineer. Instead, he shows us a simulated snowstorm and climbers travel in slow motion, in a series that goes on for what seems like an eternity. Meanwhile, on the soundtrack, he emphasized the man's breathing in a deeply. A group of mountaineers becomes trapped in a blizzard on the way back to camp. One by one, all the men sink into the snow, giving into certain death. The leader struggles to keep going until he too falls asleep in the snow. The plot summary on this film: four men mountaineers are missing struggle up a mountain path during a horrendous blizzard. They want to find their camp. It has been snowing for 3 days and the men are dispirited and ready to give up. One by one, they stop walking, giving into the snow and sure death. During a terrible blizzard, a party of four mountaineers struggle up the mountain pass. The men are discouraged and willing to give up because it has been snowing for 3 days. They stop walking one by one, surrendering to the snow and certain death. The leader tries to keep going, but he too comes to a halt in the snow. The film gives a lesson that before getting what you want, you have to work hard and always positive. If even some problems come to you, don't give up because all problems have a solution. Be strong. Analysis: according to his personal journal, Kurosawa's dreams sought to explore a passage by Fyodor Dostoevsky, in which the author claims dreams reveal man's deepest thoughts, liberated in sleep. Kurosawa understands the importance of reaching deep inside himself to achieve self-expression. Each scenario has been carefully prepared and is rich with symbolism and meaning. The film does not have a single narrative, but is rather episodic in nature, following the adventures of a surrogate Kurosawa, often recognizable by his wearing Kurosawa's trademark hat, through 8 different segments or dreams, each one titled. On my conclusion, I conclude that this film should be watched by everyone. It's a good movie. You will get many lessons because it has a good story. Don't give up on your dreams. Even if many problems come in your life, big or small, you can do that because there is no problem without a solution. Work hard our desires so that we can achieve it. While we struggle with what we want to achieve, always think that you can do it. Just think positive always. Thank you for watching. Bye.